her stories, it was just really inspiring about how she changed her life in getting into QA. So I joined the program. I started to do the self-paced courses. And then after that, I did a beta program with her where me and a group of students met every Sunday. And we went through the whole process, and it was very interactive. And then also I did one of her internships as well. After that, I got into the market in January of 2023 and landed my first QA role in March of 2023. Currently, I am still in that same QA role, and I absolutely love it. I love the flexibility. I've learned a lot of things. Now I am currently interested in becoming a scrub master, and I've got my scrub master certificate, and now I'm just trying to get into the market to pivot into being a scrub master. Without joining Road to QA, I don't think that I would have even thought about doing anything more. So I am greatly appreciative for everything that the program provided and how it was just the beginning of my journey into tech. So I can't thank Road to QA enough. So if you are looking to pivot and change into a new career, I would definitely recommend joining Road to QA.